What's up everyone, Robert here. It's July 1st, 2013 and it's been a month since the rainy season started down here in Naples, Florida. And as you can see, I have standing water on a good portion of my land here. This is like at least 3-4 inches. Standing water all over the place, except of the ridges of the shoulders of the swales where I planted all the fruit trees. Those are the higher spots, so the trees are still in a good shape. But I have a few bananas here that are underwater. I don't know if you can see it on camera. So I might have to dig a trench around the banana circle here. I don't know if it's gonna help at all or no, because the land is so saturated with water, it just cannot absorb anymore. This is my driveway. Yes, over here we have at least 5 inches, 5-6 inches. More than 6 inches. 6-7 inches. Wow. So yeah, I have a small lake in the middle of the driveway here. All the swales, all the ditches are full of water. Look at this big swale over here. It goes all the way down at the end of the property. So it's 660 feet long and about 15 feet wide. And it's just full of water. And it's gonna take some time until the water seeps down to the aquifer, how you call it. So everything is underwater. This is like 8 inches. So what I'm gonna need to do is I'm gonna need to dig a pond right here next to the driveway. Right here. Just gonna dig a big pond, like 20 by 30, 20 by 20, and go like 6 to 10 feet deep, so I don't have this much standing water. Yeah, actually, if the ground was covered in like 10 inches of mulch, just like here, it wouldn't be that bad. I mean, it drains down after a few days if it doesn't rain. Yesterday it was raining all day long. So now the sun is out and it's the sky is nice and blue. So yeah, if it doesn't rain for like 2 days, all this standing water from the ground is gonna drain, and the swales are gonna go down about 1 feet. And I have a bunch of construction material here for the cinder blocks. Getting ready to pour the foundation for the warehouse. Gonna build a little warehouse shed. It's gonna be 8 by 8, and the farm office is halfway done. 2, 4, 6 rows. I need to go 6 more. So yeah, so far the rainy season wasn't that bad, and it's been a month since it started, and the first week was bad. It was just like this. The first week it was raining for a week, and it was the Hurricane Andrea, the first hurricane. Well, I didn't get any hurricane, but it brought up on us a lot of rain. So it's not that bad. Standing water, and it's a few inches is nothing, you know. Once I have covered everything with mulch. Beautiful jackfruit tree. But the good thing about the rainy season, look at the bananas, look at all the trees. They are just all green and lush. Look at these banana leaves. They grow like crazy. Mango tree, teeth mango. So yeah, not a big deal. I can live with this much standing water, few inches. Not a big deal. All right, see you guys.